It's quite a challenge, yeah.
You can do it. अहिले चाहिँ हामी थाइल्यान्डको 360 डिग्री क्याफे भन्ने ठाउँमा आइपुगेको छौँ। यो चाहिँ माथि पहाडमा एकदम हिल टपमा रहेछ।
खतरा हुन्छ होला पार्टी यता है।
यो क्याफेलाई चाहिँ 420 क्लब पनि भन्दो रहेछ। अन्त यहाँनिर चाहिँ मान्छेहरू बेसीजना चाहिँ सनसेट हेर्नु आउँदो रहेछ, किनभने यहाँनिर चाहिँ डिफ्रेन्ट कलरको सनसेट हुँदो रहेछ। समटाइम्स अब पिङ्क ब्लू यस्तोहरू। आज चाहिँ हामी लकी कुन चाहिँ कलरको हेर्नु पाउँछ, सो तपाईँहरूलाई पनि देखाउँछौँ।
Let's talk about the view. Isn't it amazing? They say that you can even like go up, so which is we're gonna go later. Guys, what would you say, like if you had the opportunity to have this island all by yourself, but like not connecting to the other land, right? And you're like living all by yourself, no one with you. Ekle. Yes?
If you have to go shopping, you have to jump from the cliff.
Isn't it amazing? People like just what do you call it? Getting lost at the view. Oh, my voice sounds so husky. I have to like do hot water gargle. Okay, now let's enjoy the ride down.
Let me take you for a ride, dancing with the lights, our hearts beating like a drum tonight.
On with our trip for the day. I would like to thank Mr. Noam for giving us this beautiful trip, and without him we would not be able to see the beautiful places. We would like to thank him. So anytime if you are in Koh Phangan, definitely visit him, and he is the person to take you around. He speaks English. So thank you so much. Good morning everyone. So today is the last day for us at Koh Phangan, so we are going back. So we have booked our train from here. So before we check out from the hotel, we thought we want to show you the beach, the other side of the beach where we're staying. So yeah, this is another resort.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning, mate. So sorry we left early. We were like too tired because we're leaving today. I mean, in the afternoon. Yeah. See, the water is so clear. So if you just want a secluded place for yourself, you can just come in here. So no chances of drowning. When the sun hits the water, it turns out blue, and the white sand, the blue water, looks amazing. So what I was saying is, the owner over here is very friendly. He takes care of his guests very well. So there hasn't been any negative feedback about this place. So yeah. So this would be our last breakfast in Hadrin. So Marina, she orders this English breakfast. And then, what do you think this is? Do you think it's milk? Do you think it's shake? So Marina is having an English breakfast with a hint of Indian food. So this is, she ordered lassi. It's healthy, delicious. this is the taxi which you come share on sharing basis from the place where we go or anywhere. You pay 150 baht. And Marina is all upset because she's leaving this beautiful place. Yeah. So this was the place where we booked our tickets. Sadikap. We are early. So what they say is we go from ferry, then bus, and bus to the train station. So yeah, here you have my tickets.
Yes.
So you have many agencies like this. So ATM. Okay, now we are entering the ferry. So on this ferry you have two levels. If you're feeling too cold, you have the normal kind of seating, so people without the aircon. This is out in the open, there's no fan. And then we have this cafeteria, so you can buy food, coffee, tea. And then going on the top, see from I'll show you from the top. Yeah, I mean I can even go on the top, and over here is the aircon room. So Marina is chilling out. So if you don't want to be out in the sun, you can chill out like this. And we have a shade, but there's nothing on the top. You cannot go on the top. Alright guys, we are at Suratani station. This is the first time we are taking a train in Thailand, so we are so excited. So the time is 10 o'clock in the evening. The lady is getting ready. The first time for us traveling on a train. We are at Suratani station.
I mean, not in a lifetime first time.
Yeah, but in Thailand, yeah, the very first time. And yeah, it would be quite an experience for us.
Exactly.
Yeah. So these are the first class train. All right, time for us to enter the train. Sawadee. So we're looking for a seat number. This is how it looks inside of the train. Everyone is sleeping, so I should not be talking that loud. Which one do you want? Okay. Okay, kapom. So we have a berth here. Okay, thank you.
It looks like your airplane restroom.
Way better than that.
Yeah, very standard wallet. Time for bed. Gonna change.
Okay, so destination arrived. We had a wonderful time. We got down in the station called Bangsu Junction, and now we're taking a taxi and going to Mochit, the bus terminal. So if you guys enjoyed our video, do like, share, subscribe, and take care. Adios.